Chinsa ni Ikomi na indo mwancho mulgereri chiabono magoroba ekerongo yege na buna kwa bero kwego ke kubwati mirobero yonsi ya Ndizi TV na bwo obwansu bwo Gusii kokwarigania SMS Amayia irongo manyanara ya na kwariganirie asenchira ere yobenge eretariane Everlyne Osero to kubwatira nere Auta kwene kyabna wekera sensemwe imanyererio kabana into ikomoerio. Kwariga ntoya chaka senchira ya bene awase abaibori na boigo abananchi bagenderete kubwatuka ebirengereri babo kubwatukana no bugima buna bogenderete okonga chinga kechiga aborokiwa bachakire umutimoko bwa masomo moke gose half term nigo igatia bamenyi kurwase county ya Nyamira babeire bakorwa ebirengerero byabo kubwatukana no gosie koigo gose no mutimoko yega bwa masomo asinonya nabo babere bakwemurunganiria obugima obuborobo konguko bwatukana no komenta kwa maguri ebinto nabano nigo baburiria serikali kweneke bunankurigererie rengane yo asobo imekegima na koimukia egetamukiro kebwenerete elio kworoberia abakenya obogima nigo abakwe aba mwabanene asechi skuru nonyana barabo babere bakoboria buna nigo gobusaba koboria akwe wachinga kinyororo aso kweyarigani elio kweneke buna aboroki wango ikera bare amasomabo asenga kiyebwenerete
Eita eke ye school fees asabana geko era kindagere chireguru na iki transport kujakere rangiamenta takobana wana bange bacherere chinjera asengejo asengejo ye nauri ya mentrengera takabona kinajira kubarutetra
bakare gotobika ndubu ati no nkende tokoba serikali no sukuru tochikobole totebuze besa njana gotomuno ngo chisukuru iseke sarenzirende none sukuru woka utagotome beso abana ko nyolejo yo balia
ono tugusaba gakie serikali ya Kenya umushike Ruto gagwaro toramabira kwira ni ndageranse ibakti abana bono umanje ona ara irenchara bono gatogwa so bugima bani bwakongirepi
alafu yendokende chi principle cheita semore our principles what we can tell you kaki mo seria bana ku school igatuacha na no rokona gotokore turoke school kamenya kwa abantu chitenda ba chinge school gosichinyeni twacha twakore kwere twaza chinyeni chiri twaba school mwato ikresko
Togotigana nayo nigo aborokiwa nene bali bakorwa sechi ya matestari kwenya bagenderete gosirwa elio kokonyeka aso kwegenderia na masomabo umugavana bwe county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati nigabwate omuroberio yo inse omuroberio kantebu na elimu na simba tego konya aborokiwa ase okubabwatukera jibasari ende harati nigabwatukira jibasari echiritkoria lero muroberio korekana segeti sorry kya Gusii stadium aboroki wabange babere bagokonyeka muroberi arachikogendereria kubwatirana na baraibande gatiabo mokonyo ye nabo igaba waziri kurwase serikali ya county ya Kisii yo kwendekia buna aboroki wa ngosirwa bare
ina uwezo wa kutoa ufadhili huu ili kuwasaidia wanafunzi kutoka jamii zisizojiweza angalau kupata elimu itakayowawezesha kuimarisha maisha yao. Na washukuru wakilishi wote kwa MCS kwa kupitisha mpango huu katika supplementary iliyopita. Aidha, mnamo Januari nilipogundua ya kwamba kuna idadi kubwa ya wanafunzi ambayo haingeweza kujiunga na kidato cha kwanza kwa sababu hakuna fedha ambao walikuwa nayo, ilinibidi kutafuta njia mbadala ya kuwasaidia. Ndiposa nikaanzisha kwa mpango wa kibinafsi wa kuwadhamini wanafunzi almaarufu inayojulikana elimu na Simba. Mpango huu uliwezekana kwa ushirikiano mkubwa kutoka kwa naibu wangu Mheshimiwa Monda, mawaziri wangu na pia wale ambao wanaitwa chief officer. Leo ninafuraha kutangaza ya kwamba idadi kubwa ya wanafunzi hawa walijiunga na kidato cha kwanza.
Asa chinga kiecho nigo munyakerogo bwechisemi ase bunge ye county ya Kisii oyobo igoro mu MCA bwe wodi ya Amariba abeirega wakire koko muroberi oyo na gosegeta aboroki wako kora gosegotumeka libagerio n'ekipese ekyo ase okubekomokia erio kokonyeka asa matukari bosio.
Members of Kisii County na waita hivyo. Nataka nitoe changamoto sasa kwa watoto wetu. Hizi pesa ambazo tunatoa ni basari. Kindly make good use of this money in school. Tumieni pesa hii vizuri shuleni. Fees is a big problem. Watoto ambao wanakuja makwetu sisi kama MCAs kutafuta fees ni wengi. Kwa hivyo ukipata hiyo pesa, tafadhali itumie vizuri. Isiwe wewe ni yule anaandikwa kama noise maker times 3 times 4 shuleni. Si hiyo kitu iko? Times 4 times 5 times 6. Usiwe mmoja wao. Please work hard and make your dream come true as a student. Mimi singekuwa MCA kama singesoma. Waje nitamanya kulikeye mente Mungu wanali kubusia. Ya. Hata kama nangekuwa gavana wetu. Kwa hivyo nawaomba musome sana.
Haboroki wa ase University ya Jekwa time ya Juja county ya Kiambu ni golitkoya rero bakubekerwa chigutwa magega yo gukora amaigeri abo gukwana chingekekera naso muyego yo nigomo omokonyi bumurai bwenserga digashawa abaga kubaenekeria buna serikali ne bwatemero berio yo kubama baga yemeremo anene aso murobero bobwagachi wechinyumba na mononigo ababoria abange babo wesokya na kwenyorera amabaga ase emeremeyo.
I don't want to sit here and lie to you that we have jobs for you. These jobs we are going to create together with you. This is a University of Science and Technology. Our members of the National Assembly very aggressively for 2 nights passed the finance bill to create a housing fund to construct 200,000 houses every year. Among those 200,000 houses, from this university, there will be architects, there will be quantity surveyors, there will be building engineers, there will be clerk of works, there will be electricians, there will be plumbers, and you will have an opportunity to earn a living. And that is the truth. Na kibarua iko. In the housing program, this university and the graduates from here are a very big beneficiary because you are the people to design these houses. Wengine mutakuja tufanye biashara.
Asensemo yayo mwaziri w'ekisemi Ezekiel Machogu ni gaterune serikali yabeireke wanchira gose wizara y'ekisemi yabeireke wanchira university eyo ase ogochia kobwatrana nabo bwatani bande elio wekinya ase ensemo ya masomo nabo igo ogotuki ni gateire buna serikali n'ekikobwatuka kibesa ogochia se university eyo ase gose chi university au asaboriro murai wense Dr. William Samuel Ruto kweneke buna ekerengo y'ekibesa ase chi university kiaberege komentwa edio kworobya emerobero ya masomo ase chi university echo.
As a ministry, we recognize and laud this university for the engagement with the various partners to undertake research geared towards solving the challenges facing our society, including food insecurity and climate change. The ministry is committed to providing research funds, Your Excellency, as you have directed, that we increase this figure to support our universities to execute this very important mandate, because indeed that is the #1 mandate of any university. I could like to reiterate that now, more than ever before, Your Excellency, Kenya needs research-intensive universities with the capacity to conduct multi-sectorial and multi-stakeholder research. This will ensure that our universities provide timely evidence for decision-making to stimulate and sustain growth across the various sectors of the economy. Research is the right food for generation of new knowledge and innovations. I therefore challenge our universities to redouble their efforts in mobilizing additional funding for research, as well as fast-tracking commercialization of the
abangina abatakanwa kurwase county ya Busia nigo bare nekyo bakogokera neye magega yo konyora obokonyi kurwase kyumbe kia ngaf obokonyi bwechibesa echo kirachi ko bakonya ase okwegenderia ase amatukari bosyo gukwana niga bangina bo bateba buna nigo babere bawetera chinga kingongu anene aso ko unerirwa ko bwatkana no gosiria abagaka babo igendo bagokeire umuroberio yo nagotewa na chibese echo nigo barachi go chitumeka buya aso kogenderia emeroberio au iyo erabakonye ase amatukari bosyo anigachire chinga kiritko lya lero lyalengeritko lyo kubainyora abatakanwa ensengima.
Mama wajane tumeteseka kwa muda mrefu, hakika tumeteseka kwa muda mrefu sana, lakini umekuja kutukumbuka kama wamama wajane.
Na tuko na uvugaji pia, tunajua sasa katika hali vile tumevuga kuku tutaenda kuongeza kuku zingine, sasa itatusaidia, itatapiga hatua.
I believe that hii pesa tunaenda kuingiza kwa table banking na tunaenda kupeana si kwa sina kukopesha, na nimejua at the end of this year itakuwa na interest ambayo itatusupport sisi.
Lazima tuwa boost so that wasikwe watu wa kutegemea watoto, wajitegemee na wazidi kuwa role models wa watoto. So ndio kwa sababu at least hii vikundi ya elderly, vikundi ya widows, vikundi ya people living with disability na kijumla tu youths pia wako very vulnerable.
Abarai be kanisa ya Anglican Church of Kenya ACK ni go bakureire abaigeni asokunganyigwa okungainwa na gusiriwa okwegena kwabo negati abarandia abo bagotumeka bobe ebisasimero ni go bono abarai abo bachakiro murobero bwokorwa amaigerio asaba menyi bensemo ya mwea ensemo ya mbere north na baigombere south ase korengana no mubishop we kanisa ya ACK mbere Moses Masamba abereka odane chinechingaki abarandi bechikanisa babwenerete gotumeka ase okurandia enjiri yomonene ebwenerete na kwene kyabuna abaigeni tibali gosiriwa.
Leo tumekuja kuomba pamoja, kupanga mipango na pia kupata commissioning maombi ili tutoke tutembee na mwenye kanisa ambaye ni Yesu Kristo, ambaye neno lake la mwisho ile tunasoma katika Mathayo 28 mstari wa 20 alisema atakuwa na sisi mpaka mwisho.
Jesus is the restorer of life. Jesus is the answer to most of these challenges that are facing society. So we are very happy to receive support from Bishop Masamba and many other bishops now in Kenya, Anglican bishops, who are opening up space for the church to actively engage in mission.
Ekamati ya choretwe elio gotenenera obotuki bwechikanisa nigo yaburiria serikali kweneke bunari chiko lyabereri wetwa elia maigerio ye dini kwenenwa ase chiskuru ase bunenchire ya moyo korobya ogosasima nabo igo korongeya chimbwa chiabana okwana ime ya Busia nigo bateru na chimbwa chimbe chie dini nigo chigo chaka ase ekegoregeke ase nonya nabo baganirie serikali kwenana obosibore bogosasima gochase abaigeni bonsi
which were removed from school. That's a major concern from the people that we have had, and the desire to get the religious education back into the system, so that they can still instill some discipline in the kids. For those who are harassing churches or pastors, please don't harass the pastor. Wait until we have come up with something so that which can be implemented. Let's not harass the pastors.
This task force has been formed to see where we could improve the law. The Society Act is already there. However, something has happened, and changes are inevitable when people grow and when people change.
Nomoteneneri bwobokoreri bwe serikali Felix Koskei nigo atebire bune serikali nebegetemero berio yokwenekya buna obukurumi ase kyombekeriye kwenana amaryogo nebintu binde bigutumeka ase kinyagetari obukurumi obwo bwabeire bokoera gukwana chinga kyaumeranite nababwatani kuru ase kyombekya sensemo yembakasi mu mucho Nairobi nigo arwetege kuregetindi na kobori abantu bonse kwenekya bunango akabaro roboti ekero barorire ebikore bnebi namono niga baborire kwenekya bunango bwatirane gosenko bagira bare umurai wense Dr. William Samuel Ruto asoko ine kiabuna emerobere yonsi anene yokurunge yobokorera se sector yobochenu yabeire kewikiraniwa.
All of us know that this organization has suffered the unnecessary disrepute of grand corruption and tainted the overall image of the government, both past and present. You know that when people out there are talking about corruption, the name Kemsa comes in every other minute. This has been done like Kemsa, or it is not as bad as Kemsa, or this is worse than Kemsa. This has to stop.
We are rationalizing the staff here to ensure that we are left with the people who will help us drive Kemsa forward. Even if someone does not get a renewal, it does not mean that we have issues with them. It's just that we only have so much in terms of our establishment.
Amayia wa Amayia Chinsa Ikomi asenchera ere yobwenge kurenda ya munaenda mangi no chiko yanyora asenchera yobwikiranuge kuragense mona boigo Chinsa isato chamagoroba nora leterwa sore nere Vincent Onyancha ekabono barabe bakubwaterana nere Ndemo Stephen asense media ye chikosori bya mona sogo chora ko banainche na bya mona sibali bonstu abwaterana kweneke mangana wekere asenchera yobwenge gokoneria obulgeri borobu ya semero berionsi ya Ndizi TV ekerongo kwinyoro na sense moya Facebook ningora gendere gotonyora wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asense moya YouTube otonyora wetera Ndizi TV News asumutandao Twitter nabo gotitwetera @Ndizi TV News hire togendere gusanga nabo igo kwemanyia amangeri terana Everlyne Osero twagwaterana nere Joshua Auta asense moya imenyererio nera Abigail Nyanchama nero nekebona chibicha nerio gicha wekere asenchira bene toro bulgere borobya nabo igo imagoro bento ereru.